Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to use the Compare page on our website. Let's get started. On the Compare page, the first thing you will see is the map with different icons. Please click the button, All Budgets and Cities, and feel free to choose the best budget for you. Your choice will also appear on the map. The main feature on that page is comparing cities in different parts of the world for their prices. For example, you can compare Europe and USA cities for their prices, starting with the average salary and finishing with the costs in the supermarket. By using our Compare page, you can make informed decisions about your next destination based on real data. Are you wondering if your dream city is budget-friendly for you? With just a few clicks, you can find out the cost of living, housing, groceries, and much more, all at your fingertips. Gone are the days of spending hours scouring the internet for reliable information. Our Compare page brings together up-to-date data from trusted sources, giving you a comprehensive view of the cities you're interested in. No more guesswork or unreliable reviews. We present you with accurate numbers and statistics so you can plan your future with confidence. But that's not all. For Plan Number 2 users, we have an even more comprehensive set of features. In addition to the price comparison, you'll gain access to detailed data on crime rates, pollution levels, and traffic conditions at your disposal. Once you finish comparing prices and gathering all the necessary details, don't forget to save your search by clicking on the green button and giving it a personalized name. This way, you can easily refer back to your findings and continue your research whenever you like. Thank you for joining us, and happy comparing.